Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Okay, today I am going to discuss characteristics of a circle. Okay, here, if we observe characteristics of a circle, what are the characteristics? Let us take general form of a circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. And this is central form of a circle if you observe. This is a central form of a circle and this is general format of a circle. This, if you observed, it is the equation containing of x square term, y square term, x term, y term and constant. And even if you expanded this, you can observe containing this equation also containing of which terms? X square, y square and x and y remaining all constants. So that we can conclude, according to this analysis, we can conclude that circle is a second degree equation. Circle is a second degree equation in x and y variables. That is one important point. Next, if we go for coefficient of x square equals to coefficient of y square, is it true or not? Let us check. Here, x square coefficient is 1, y square coefficient is 1. So that second characteristic is coefficient of x square equals to coefficient of y square. Even if you observe this equation also, if you expanded this x square coefficient 1, y square coefficient 1. In this equation also we can observe that coefficient of x square equals to coefficient of y square. Is it clear? And in this equation, is there any xy term? This is x square term, y square term, x term, y term and constant. There is no xy term. So coefficient of xy must be 0. Coefficient of xy must be 0. And according to definition of a circle, we know that radius is must greater than or equals to 0. Either 0 or positive number. It should not be negative. Is it clear? What are the characteristics of a circle? First point is circle is a second degree equation in x and y variables. Second point is coefficient of x square equals to coefficient of y square. And third point is coefficient of xy equals to 0. And third one over. Next fourth one is radius is always greater than or equals to 0. Okay. Today's second concept is concentric circles. What is concentric circles? Here observe. Concentric circles. The circles which have same center and different radii are called concentric circles. Is it clear? Let us take one diagram. This is the circle with center C and radius R1. And this is also having same center with another radius. Okay na? If you observe both the circles which have same center and different radii, is it clear? Chalo. I am going to take one example. A circle with center 1, 2 and radius is 3 units. Simultaneously, I am going to consider second circle whose center also same and radius is different. Now, I am going to find out circle equation here. What is the circle equation? According to central equation of circle, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 3 square. What else? If you expanded this, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 square plus 2 square, that is 5 minus 9 equals to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. This is equation of the circle with center 1, 2 and radius 3 units. And come here. Here also I am going to find out circle equation with center 1, 2 and radius is 4 units. By using central equation of circle x minus h whole square, h means 1, x minus 1 whole square, y minus 2 whole square equals to 4 square. Now I am simplifying this format. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 square plus 2 square 5 minus how much it is? 16 equals to 0. What remains here? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 11 equals to 0. What is the difference between two concentric circles? These are two concentric circles, no? These two are called two concentric circles whose center is same and having different radii. Is it clear? These are two circles which are concentric circles. Why you are calling concentric circles? This circle center 1, 2. This circle center also 1, 2. So these two circles are concentric circles. What is the difference between two concentric circles? We can find out one difference. What is that? First term, second term, third term, fourth terms. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Four terms as usual, and they are differ by only constant. Here constant is minus 4, here constant is minus 11. What we can conclude? One important note, that two concentric circles are differ by a constant. Two concentric circles are differ by a constant. Differ by a constant. By a constant. Important point for JEE pattern, right? Two concentric circles are differ by a constant. Is it okay? And the second note is the equation of a circle. The equation of a circle which is concentric with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 can be taken as x square plus y square as it is plus 2gx as it is. First four terms as it is, no? 2fy plus k equals to 0. Here observe, c and k both are differ. Is it clear? First important thing is two concentric circles are differ by a constant. And second important point in this concept is the equation of a circle which is concentric with the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 can be taken as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k equals to 0. Okay students, now we are going to solve some questions, some important questions. Okay, now observe question number 1. The equation of the circle with radius 3 units and the point of intersection of the lines, and read the question one more time. The equation of the circle with radius 3 units and the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus 3y equals to 5 and 2x minus y equals to 1 as center is. This is our question. Already one hint is given. Our circle having radius 3 units and the point of intersection of these two lines. The point of intersection of these two lines representing center of the circle. Chalo, according to radius we can confirm which circle equation is representing radius 3 units. Okay, chalo, this is the circle x square plus y square equals to r square format, means radius is 3 units. Okay, it is satisfying. This circle having 3 units radius, and let us check this also. Let us check this radius only I am checking. Here radius is 3 units, I confirmed, and here by using the formula radius equals to, how do you find out? Yesterday we have discussed g square plus f square minus c. What is the radius of the circle? 2gx. 2g value is minus 2. 2fy. 2f value is minus 2. G value and f value minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 and minus 1. Can I tell or can you confirm it? 2g value is minus 2, g value is minus 1. 2f value is minus 2, f value also minus 1. So g value 1, f value 1, and c value is minus 7. 1 square minus of minus plus 7, that is 1 plus 7, that is 9, which is also having radius 3 units only. Confirmed. Next, even if you observe this third option, x square plus y square plus 9 equals to 0. Here, this, if you are writing x square plus y square equals to minus 9, it is not satisfying that radius is radius r square value is minus 1. It is not possible. You can cancel this option and come to here. What is the radius of this circle? Find. Radius is how much? 2g is minus 2, 2f is minus 2. So that g value is minus 1, f value is minus 1. So minus 1 square 1, minus 1 square 1, and c value is how much? C value is how much? Okay. Radius of this circle is r equals to root over g square minus 1 whole square 1 minus 1 whole square 1, and c value is 7 minus c means 7. Here also you are getting negative value. 1 minus 7 means minus 5. This is also ruled out. Here first option and second option are satisfying, which are having radius 3 units. And here if you observe the point of intersection of these two lines representing center of the circle. What is the center of this circle? This is in the form of x square plus y square equals to r square. If the circle equation in the form of x square plus y square equals to r square format, whose center is 0, 0? Whose center is 0, 0? Is this center satisfies this line? Substitute x value is 0, y value is 0. Not satisfying. Even is this center satisfying this equation? X value 0, y value 0, 0 equals to 5. Not satisfying. So this is ruled out. Then remaining, this is also ruled out just before we confirmed. Then what is the right choice? Option B is the right choice. That is a circle which is having radius 3 units and the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus 3y plus 2x plus 3y equals to 5 and 2x minus y equals to 2x minus y plus equals to 1 as center is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. Okay? Okay. Next question is, the circle this circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 3 equals to 0 and which has radius 2 units is. Okay? Read the question one more time. The circle concentric with this circle and which has radius 2 units. Okay. If two circles are concentric, what we have, are you remembered just before I have discussed? If two circles are concentric, they are differ by only constant first 4 terms as it is. Okay. Shall observe here first 4 terms. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y as it is होना चाहिए, right? So here x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y same, and x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y same, and here there is no as it is terms, it is ruled out option. This is also ruled out option. Okay, we confirmed these two circles are concentric with this circle. Okay. And is this minus 9 correct or plus 9 correct? We have to confirm this, right? How we can confirm this? Radius is 2 units set. So radius is how much for this circle? Find out. 2g is 4, g is 2. So g square plus f square minus c is how much? 2 square. and 2f is 6, f is 3, f square 3 square minus c, minus of minus plus 9. What else? 4 plus 9 plus 9, 18, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 4, 22. Its radius is 22. It's ruled out. Our required circle is, it remains x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 9 equals to 0. Is it confirmed? Chalo, let us confirm. Which has radius 2 units, I am going to confirm. Let me check. Chalo beta, 2g is 4, g is 2, g square is 4, 2f value is 6, f value is 3, f square is 9, minus g square plus f square minus c, c value is how much? 9. 9 gets cancelled, root 4, it remains 2 units. It is pakka, 100% perfect solution. Got it all of you? Okay, let's move on to the next question. That is, find the equation of the circle through the point minus 2 comma 4 and which is concentric with the circle x square plus y square minus 4y minus 12 equals to 0 is. Already we have discussed about concentric circles. What is concentric circles? If two circles are there, they are differ by only constants that we have discussed, right? First four terms are as usual. First four terms x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y as it is. And here x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y. This term is different. So rule out. Next, our required concentric circle must be in the form of x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus some other constant. Here fourth term is different from this fourth term. So ruled out it is. And here minus 6x plus 4y. Here also fourth term is different. It is also ruled out action. X square plus y square, here second term and third term and fourth term both are different from given circle. It is also ruled out. Clear? I think all of you enjoying this question. Is it or not? Chalo. So sir, what we have to do again? So it's very clear these three are wrong options. This is only the right choice, right? And even you can confirm that this circle satisfied by this point minus 2 comma 4. But no need here. Here by first option only, by verifying first point only, we can confirm that what is the what we have verified. What we have verified in concentric circles, first four terms must be same. In first option only 4 terms are similar, remaining all 3 options are differ. So these 3 options are ruled out. Okay, chalo, move on. Okay, let's move on to next question. If the centroid of is 1 comma 1, the triangle is equilateral 1 point and whose centroid is 1 comma 1 given and one of its vertices is minus 1 comma 2, then the equation of its circumcircle is, first let us take a diagram. This is the circle ABC. Let us take, this is the triangle ABC, sorry, this is triangle ABC and one of its vertices minus 1 comma 2 given and centroid of this equilateral triangle is, centroid of this equilateral triangle is 1 comma 1 provided. This is G, centroid 1 comma 1, right? Now what is asking? Circumcircle, equation of circumcircle. Very interesting question this is. What he said first, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Centroid of the triangle provided and one of its vertices provided. Observe carefully. Circumcircle means a circle which passes through all 3 vertices of a triangle, right? Okay, now triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. This is already provided. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Confirmed. In equilateral triangle, centroid is equals to circumcenter is equals to orthocenter. Okay. This is most important point. You may be studied in 11th standard. Okay. In equilateral triangle, centroid representing circumcenter and also orthocenter. So that circumcenter is nothing but G. G is nothing but 1, 1. Right? And now observe, this represents radius of circumcircle. Radius of circumcircle. How much? AG. AG represents radius of circumcircle. How much it is, beta? Chalo. 1 minus of minus plus 1, that is 2 square. 1 minus 2 square minus 1 square, that is 1. Sure? Just I found distance between these 2 points. 1 minus of minus 1 whole square means 2 square. 1 minus 2 whole square means minus 1 square remains 1. That is root 5. What do you want? You wanted to confirm the circle with center 1, 1 and radius is 5 units. Chalo check. This is the circle with center how much? 2G is minus 2, 2F is minus 2. So G is minus 1, F is minus 1. So center is minus G comma minus F, that is 1 comma 1. And here first centers confirm, okay? Here center is minus 1 comma plus 1. Here center is 2, minus 4 is there na? Plus 2 you have to write. Minus 6 is there. Who's off with opposite sign? Center 2 comma 3. Here center is minus positive sign is there. So take negative sign. So x coefficient half minus 1 by 2. Minus sign is there, take plus sign. Y coefficient is 1, half take. So tell me, centroid of circumcircle, center of circumcircle is 1 comma 1. Where it is? Only first option satisfying circle with center 1 comma 1. Here we have confirmed. And whose radius also you can confirm. Radius is how much? How much होना चाहिए?